This review is of Hill's Science Diet, adult 1 to 6, no corn, wheat, or soy, chicken and brown rice recipe. There is another recipe just like this, but it does not have that. And this is one of my cat's favorite choices for food, although I would not have naturally chosen it because of the low amount of protein in it. I got it for free from somebody, from the SPCA. That's the only reason I tried it. Now, this is this is for adults age 1 to 6. Whether it's for indoor or outdoor cats is not made clear either on the packaging or the website. It does have grains in it. It does not have soy in it. Don't worry. Cats like carbohydrates, so it's not a big deal that there are grains in it. They just don't want a lot of carbohydrates. That's where you have to be careful. Are there strange man-made ingredients in it? No. The vegetables that are starchy that are in it are yellow peas, cracked pearled barley, brewer's rice, brown rice, green peas, and carrots. Are there any byproduct meals in it or organ meals? No. The animal ingredients used in it, out of the 17 ingredients, the top 15, there were only 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, And those ingredients are chicken, chicken fat, egg product, chicken meal, chicken liver flavor, and fish oil. As far as I could tell, none of the animals that were sacrificed for this food were raised cage-free, free-range, or anything like that. The food was entirely cooked kibble. It is 27% protein, crude protein, 16.5% crude fat, 3% crude fiber. Moisture is at 9%. I don't know how much, but it has calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, and vitamin A in it. The vitamin C is 85 milligrams per kilogram. Vitamin E is 500 international units per kilogram. Taurine is 0.25%. Omega-3 is 0.3%. Omega-6 is 2.5%. Total lactic acid microorganisms is 0. It doesn't use any. And the metabolizable calories, kilocalories per kilogram is 3,996, and per cup is 498. It does meet the AAFCO cat food nutrients profiles, and you can get more information about it on the website. It's his second favorite so far of all the brands that I've tried, and that I guess would mean that I'm going to give this a 7 rating, although I'm not happy with the low protein content because cats really should get more protein based on the information that I have seen so far. Now, I could be wrong, but that seems to be the case. So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.